In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PDF in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few practical tips to keep everything organized and smooth. First, make sure you're on the Notion page where you want the PDF to live. Think of this page as the home for your document, maybe a project page, a knowledge base, or a personal notes hub. When you're ready, look to the very right corner of the page and click the three dots. This opens the page menu, which is where Notion keeps a lot of powerful page level options. From that menu, choose Import. Import is designed for bringing content into Notion from your computer or other sources. In this case, we'll bring in a PDF directly from your device. Next, click Choose a File. This opens your computer's file picker so you can browse to the PDF you want. It helps to know where your file is saved ahead of time. Downloads, desktop, or a specific project folder so you can grab it quickly. Large PDFs can take a bit longer to upload, so a stable internet connection is helpful. Now, select the PDF file you want to bring in. Once you've highlighted it, confirm your selection. Notion will show you a quick prompt to proceed. This is simply there to make sure you've chosen the correct file and are ready to continue. Go ahead and click Continue. Notion will start uploading and processing the PDF. You'll usually see a brief progress indicator. When the import is complete, the PDF will appear on your page as a block. You can open it to view the pages, scroll through the content, and keep it alongside your other notes and tasks. If you like to keep things neat, this is a good moment to rename the page or the block, so it's easy to find later. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the file is very large, give it a moment to finish processing before you navigate away. If you plan to share this page with others, remember that they'll see the imported PDF as part of the page content, depending on their access. And if organization matters to you, consider adding a short description or tags right on the page so you'll always know what the PDF contains at a glance. That's all there is to it. Click the three dots, choose Import, pick your file, and continue. You've successfully imported a PDF into Notion.